Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I have just done a pour and the tip off was so pretty, as you can see. I've put that on there. Now, what I thought I might do is a swipe and then tilt it to see what, you know, if anything magic happens, and hopefully it will. I've got a smidgen of yellow, not much at all. I've got white, I've got metallic pink, and then a mauvey sort of this colour that I'm putting on now. And I made this one myself. And this is the last of it, so it's as you can see, quite pretty. It's a mauvey pink, doesn't have a name. This is a metallic pink, a dusty. It's nice, but it goes well with this colour that I made. They complement one another rather nicely. And I might swipe with the, oh no, I'll swipe with the white, I think. So I'll just put some black on. Don't want the black to take over. Right, that should be good. And I have some cobalt blue, which I rather like. So that goes on, and I don't, as I said, have a lot of yellow, so perhaps if I just don't get too fancy with it, I might, yeah, there you go. It might come up. I may lose it. I quite often lose yellow. Come here, you. And I'll just spatula that out. Right, here's hoping that some of it stays at least. And I think I've got them all on there. And I've got a little bit here to hang about. May as well put that on too. Didn't see that there. Right, waste not, want not. Okay, so white, straight down the middle. Just, oh, that's called holding your breath. I think there's enough there. And I'll scrape out what's left. Sprinkle that around as well, might as well. Now I'd say I have plenty, if not more than enough paint. Underneath show more you'll find the recipe for these paints and the pouring medium. You'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us. Happy little group of peoples. Alright, I'm going to swipe that. Just happen to have a trusty little cloth here, around the other way. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Around this side. Yep. Oh well. going to tilt it anyway. So, let me see. Oh, very nice. So I'm going to take it a bit this way. See that? Too much paint. Don't get excited. Oh, it's coming up lovely. I'll show you in a minute. Don't want to lose all that black. Well, that's enough. Maybe a bit more back to the centre now that I did that. Yes. And this is what I'm looking at. How pretty is that? I think it's lovely. So, I'll just wipe my hands off. Want to just do this. Just to bring the white through a bit. Didn't want that though. Alright, I'm happy. Just going to put some white along here. And I'll turn it around. You can see that. I think it goes the way you're now looking at it. And I need some pink along the top here. That's a bit too much pink, so throwing some blue along there as well. Yes, how pretty is that? That's really nice. And just a bit too much paint on there, I'm afraid. That's much better. And where's some of this? Some of that that's already sort of mixed. Okay. I'm going to just rinse my hands off, and then I'll give it a little torch, and we'll see what we have. Some of the prettiest of cells. Just going to run my finger around. I suppose I've got all of it. Ah, that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look at it, and I think I've told you everything. Paints, pouring medium, links to the Facebook group, all under Show More. And this is really nice. I'm happy. Lots of little tiny cells, and a few, you know, larger ones that'll probably continue to grow as they do. And yeah, this is really pretty. Did lose a bit of the yellow. There is some there, as you can see. And then the blue and the yellow is mixed, and there's a tiny little bit of green green here and there, which is quite nice. That's a pretty corner. And then up the centre. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up. I appreciate that when people do that little chore for me. Click on subscribe if you haven't already, and the little bell, and you'll be notified then when I make the next videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.